Hi, welcome to TMetric Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Google Calendar to the TMetric time tracking app and track time spent working on any scheduled calendar event with one mouse click. I have already installed the TMetric browser plugin and configured the settings to allow time tracking in Google Calendar. Now, I go to my calendar and select an event I have to log time for. Once I open it, I see the TMetric Start Timer button. Then I click the button, and the time spent on a calendar event will be logged in my TMetric workspace. Notice that the Start Timer button changes to the Stop Timer button and displays the time spent on the calendar event. The event appears on the Time page in the TMetric web application. The name of the event is the same as in Google Calendar. Besides embedding a TMetric Timer button to Google Calendar events, I can add events directly to TMetric. So I can view and track my scheduled events right in the workspace. I go to my user profile. In the Calendar section, find Google Calendar. Click Connect, sign in with Google, and allow TMetric to access my account. In the Select Calendars dialog box, I enable the calendar I want to display in TMetric. As soon as the calendar is connected, I can see my scheduled events in the Agenda section of the Time page. Just click the Start Timer button of the event I want to track time for, and the time spent on it will be logged in my TMetric workspace. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.